Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. How are you? I hope you are happy and safe. Our lesson today is use symbols to compare numbers. In the last lesson, you have learned about comparing numbers, and you know now how to compare numbers, which is greater than, less than, or equal to other number. Today, we are going to learn how to use symbols to compare numbers. We can compare numbers using these words: greater than, less than, and equal to. But instead of these words, we can use symbols. In the last lesson, you have learned that 26 is greater than 15. But we can write this using symbols. We can write it as 26 is greater than 15. So we don't have to write these words to compare numbers. If we write the symbol, so we know that 26 is greater than 15. Note that the opening of this sign is toward the greater number. So 26 is greater than 15. What about less than? This is the symbol that we can use instead of less than. You know now that 34 is less than 35. Please grade 1 note that this corner is toward the least number, 34. So 34 is less than 35. What about equal to? We can use this symbol instead of these words, equal to. You know that 12 is equal to 12. We don't have to write these words. We can use the symbol to tell that 12 is equal to 12. So interesting. Now let's back to your book. Listen the story, grade 1. A store sold 32 toys on Friday. It sold 16 toys on Saturday. Use 10 base blocks to show each group. Write the numbers, compare the numbers. Circle greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so good. Let's model the example. The first number is 32 toys in Friday. We have 3 tens, so we need 3 rods. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have 3 rods. And we have 2 ones, so we need 2 cubes. So these blocks show number 32. Let's model number 16. We have 1 10, so we need 1 rod. And we need 6 ones, 6 cubes. So these blocks show number 16. Now let's compare these numbers. Here we have 3 rods, and here we have 1 rod. So what do you think, grade 1? Is this number 32 greater than, less than, or equal to 16? What do you think? Did you say greater than? If so, you are totally right. 32 is greater than 16. Again, note that the opening is toward this number. So please grade 1, please draw these models on your book, page number 409. And the numbers here for Friday is 32 toys, and for Saturday it's 16. This number is greater than this number, so we will circle this one. Now let's solve another example. Here we have 2 numbers. The first number is 28, and the second number is 37. As you have learned in grade 1, in the previous lesson, we can compare numbers starting with tens, with tens digit. This is the tens digit for the first number, and this is the tens digit for the second number. So let's compare tens. In the first number, we have only 2 tens. In the second number, we have 3 tens. Since 3 is more than 2, so the whole number 37 is greater the whole number 28. So 37 is greater than 28. Now let's solve another example. Here we have 49 and here we have 51. Which number is greater than the other number? Let's start comparing with tens. We must do that. Since 4 is less than 5, so the whole number 49 is less than the whole number 51. Don't worry about the ones digit, since the tens digit here is less than the tens digit here. So 49 is less than 51. Let's solve another example. The numbers here 15 and 15. Let's see the tens digit. Here we have 1 and here we have 1. Since we have the same tens digits, so we have to compare the ones digit. Again, here we have 5 and here we have 5. Since the two numbers have the same digits for tens and ones, so these numbers are equal. 15 is equal to 15. It makes sense, right? Now let's solve the question number 1. The number here is 63 and the number here is 35. Let's compare tens. 6 is greater than 3. So 63 is greater than 35. Question number 2, 21 and 21. We have the same number, the same digit for tens and the same digits for ones. So 21 equals to 21. Question number 3. The first number is 12. The second is 24. The tens digit here is 1. The tens digit here is 2. Since 1 is less than 2, so 12 is less than 24. Question number 4. The first number is 35. The second number is 43. Let's compare the tens digit. The first digit is 3. It's less than 4. So 35 is less than 43. So please grade 1, be sure to write these answers on your book. Page number 410. Now let's solve the question number 7. The first number is 45. The second number is 75. Observe this digit, the tens digit, the digit to the left, and the digit to the left in this number. Here we have 4 and here we have 7. Since 4 is less than 7, so 45 is less than 75. Let's solve the question number 10. The tens digit here is 9. The tens digit here is 5. Since 9 is greater than 5, so 95 is greater than 59. Let's solve the question number 13. The number here is 62 and 67. Observe this digit, the tens digit. 6 and 6, they are equal. So we have to compare ones digit now. The digit here is 2. The digit here is 7. Since 2 is less than 7, so 62 is less than 67. Now it's your turn to grade 1. So please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Same for the next page, you can check your answers here. Next page is your homework grade 1. So please try to solve it by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. This is for page number 414. And here you can check my progress. Page number 415 and page number 416. It's the end of grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.